Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel DigiLearnersPoint. This video provides you the solution of the question number 2, which is related to the assignment number 1 of subject business, mathematics and statistics, and it is assignment number 1. So let's start question, then we will move to the solution file. Ali, Haider and Raza shared a bottle of milk among themselves in the ratio 5:7:3. Ali received 80 milliliter less milk than Haider. This is the first condition. Determine the amount of milk that Haider should give to Raza so that all the three have the same amount of milk. So, Haider has given from his share to Raza to make the distribution of the milk on equal basis. So let's move to the solution. Before discussing the solution, I am share with you that I will solve this question from two methods. So let's see the solution. So given information is here: Ali ratio, Haider ratio, Raza 5:7:3. First given condition is that Ali has less than 80 milliliter than Haider. H stands for Haider. So I label it in question 1. Second given condition is Raza is equal to Haider minus X, and X is the amount that Haider gives to the Raza. So now let T be the common ratio factor that is related to the three given ratios. Therefore the new ratio with factor T is Ali ratio, Haider ratio, Raza is equal to 5T into 7T in 5T ratio 7T ratio 3T. By applying the respective corresponding ratios into 1, so we know that 1 is here is Ali is equal to Haider minus 80 milliliter milk. So 5T is equal to 70 minus 80. It is a share of Ali and it is a share of 70 Haider. So when I move 70 from right to left, it will change its sign and turns into negative. 5T minus 70 is equal to minus 80. Minus 2T is equal to minus 80, and minus both sides cancel each other and turns into positive, and divided both sides by 2, we will get the value of T is equal to 40. So this is a common ratio factor. Now by placing the corresponding ratios in equation 2, where we know that 3T is a share of Raza and 70 is a share of Haider minus X, and minus X is the amount of milk that Haider gives to Raza. So 3T minus 70, like in the previous equation solution, when 70 comes from right to left, its sign change into negative and is equal to minus X. Minus 40 is equal to minus X, minus and minus cancel each other and turns into positive. X is equal to 4 into 40. So we are going to put the value of T here, and T, if we know that, is equal to 40. X is equal to 160. So 160 milliliter is the amount of milk that Haider willing to give it to the Raza to make the distribution of milk on equal basis. Now hence the proportion of the among the three are proportion of the shares. Ali is equal to 5 into 40 is equal to 200, Haider is equal to 740 is equal to 280, and Raza is equal to 3 into 40 is equal to 180. So method 2, let X be the total amount of milk in has been distributed. Let me decrease it a little bit to a little bit more. You have seen it clearly, which has been distributed among the three as per given ratio. The amount of the milk for Ali is means share of the Ali is 5/15 into X. Amount of milk for Haider is equal to 7/15 X. Amount of milk for Raza is equal to 3/15 X. Here 15 is the summation of the ratios, that is 5 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 15. As per first condition, Ali is equal to Haider minus 80 milliliter. So putting the share of Ali Haider in this equation, we will get 5 over 15x is equal to 7 over 15x minus 80. So when 7 by 15x element of the right side shift from right to left, its sign change from positive to negative. Taking LCM here, 15 5x minus 7x is equal to minus 80. So 2 over 15x is equal to minus 80, minus and minus cancel each other. X is equal to 80 into 15 by 2, so we will get 600 milliliter. Now we come to know that in water the total amount of milk is 600 millimeter. So according to the second condition, let Haider gives T amount of milk to Raza. Raza is equal to Haider minus T. 3 by 15 x is equal to 7 by 15 x minus T. 3 by 15 minus 7 by 15 x is equal to minus T. Same logic apply here as we see in the solving the above first condition. So 3x minus 7x by 15 taking the LCM, minus T, 4x over 15 is equal to T minus cancellation each other, putting the value of x in above equation. 4 by 15 into 600, which is equal to 40, and T is equal to 160 milliliter. So this is the amount that Haider gives to Raza. Thus Ali's share 5 by 15 is equal to 600 is equal to 200 milliliter. Haider's shares 280 milliliter, and Raza's share is equal to 120 milliliter. I hope you will find this solution useful for your assignment. If you have any question or query, ask me in the comment section, or if you want to add something from your side, drop your suggestion. And very important question announcement, this is an audio question, don't copy it blindly. If you found this solution useful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.